Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Belarus. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to travel to Belarus for tourism, the very first thing comes in your mind, do you really need a visa? So this is what we are going to find out first, and then we'll go through the process. All right, guys. So in front of you, I have opened Belarus Embassy website in India. So on this page down, you have links for Belarus diplomatic missions. So whichever continent you are living and wherever they have, you can go select that and click on go to so that you can get the up-to-date information, because the visa application process, submission, payment, these things may vary based on your location. So it's very important that you get the relevant information about the location where you are at. All right guys, first of all we'll see uh, who don't need the visa. See, they have a link for visa free travel. So so if you see this column, if you have ordinary passports, you can stay there. And again, there's some criteria. Okay. So if you have citizenship of these countries, for example, if you're Brazilian, you can stay up to 30 days. Georgia, you can go there. Israel, up to 90 days in each period of 180 days. So for short-term tourism, you don't need to worry about. But in case you need, what you are going to do is like you go there. For example, in India, you see that they have office at New Delhi, Mumbai. So they have given two links. So if you are near to Delhi, you will select this. If you're near to Mumbai, you will select this. See, it changes. So they have given the time. What are the things they need? You need to bring one duly completed visa application form. Should be legible handwriting or typing, okay, in English, Russian, or Belarusian. Answers to the question should be complete and logical, consistent. Purpose of visit should be specified in details. If a question does not apply, please write NA. In a complete form, they will refuse. You should have to be signed, okay. Should be signed by, okay. Color photograph specification they have given. Original passport they have asked, okay. Validity valid for at least 90 days after the expected departure, okay. If below 18 years of age, birth certificate is also required. Support documents, depending upon your situation, then health insurance certificate that you can buy from your hotel booking confirmation, personal bank account statement. Now, if we'll go for this one, visa support documents, what are the things they need? Oh, we'll go for C, short-term visa, okay, single into the multiple for 90 days. So they have given for participate cultural education internship for private purposes, okay, for study, for tourism, yeah. So whatever is applicable in your case, you're gonna do that so that you can find out here. Now, important is fee payment. It's gonna be 60 euro payable in INR. Okay, this has to be paid in Indian rupees in RBL Bank, Nariman Point branch, or by net banking mobile app with reference to the surname. No cash, no card details, facility to Consulate General. So the consular officer will notify you of the exact amount after the application is done. Please pay the exact amount. Okay, they have given the processing time also. So it's very clear and fair process that you can follow. Okay. So that's how you can go through it. Again, if you're at New Delhi or some other location, you can open the relevant website. If you want to get it for New Delhi, you can open the New Delhi one and read their process. That's why I said it's very important that you find out where you're going to apply, because their process may vary based on the location. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.